Montreal stands as a global leader in artificial intelligence, AI, research and development, hosting prestigious think tanks and serving as the base for cutting-edge corporations engaged in groundbreaking innovations. In April, Montreal is set to host the World Summit AI, a global gathering of minds in the field of artificial intelligence. In 2022, Montreal witnessed the establishment of the ILLS International Research Laboratory, a collaborative effort among various research organizations. Montreal proudly maintains its position as a leading international university city, consistently named the best student city in the Americas. Montreal has attracted major players in the tech industry. Montreal's AI landscape is dynamic, with contributions from grassroots organizations, meetup groups, and a thriving community engaged in diverse AI-related initiatives. Montreal has positioned itself as a global AI hub due to its robust research ecosystem, hosting renowned institutions like MILA, collaborations with international organizations, and the presence of major tech companies investing in AI research and development. MILA, affiliated with Université de Montréal, is the largest and most renowned group of deep learning researchers globally. Notable companies such as Google, IBM, DeepMind, Microsoft, Meta, and Samsung have established research labs or regional offices in Montreal, contributing to the city's status as an AI powerhouse. Montreal hosts the World Summit AI, a global gathering of AI minds, providing a platform for influential conversations and networking opportunities. The ILLS International Research Laboratory, formed by Montreal research organizations, focuses on fundamental aspects of AI, real-time machine learning, autonomous systems, natural language processing, and computer vision. Montreal is poised to maintain its global recognition as a leading AI hub. The city's AI landscape will witness the expansion of applications across industries. As the AI ecosystem matures, Montreal will see the emergence of AI startups and increased entrepreneurial activity. Collaboration between academic institutions like MILA and industry giants will deepen. Montreal's thought leadership in AI ethics and policies will gain prominence globally. In conclusion, Montreal's ascent to global prominence in artificial intelligence, AI, is undeniable. From hosting prestigious events like the World Summit AI to establishing cutting-edge research laboratories like the ILLS International Research Laboratory, the city stands as a beacon of innovation and collaboration in the field of AI. Montreal's dynamic AI landscape, fueled by the contributions of MILA and major tech companies, underscores its commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI research and development. Predictions and the future. Looking ahead, the future of Montreal's AI ecosystem holds exciting possibilities. As the city continues to attract major players in the tech industry and foster a collaborative environment, we can anticipate the expansion of AI applications across various industries. The emergence of AI startups and increased entrepreneurial activity signals a vibrant future where innovation and creativity thrive. Collaboration between academia and industry giants, exemplified by institutions like MILA, is poised to deepen, ensuring that Montreal remains at the forefront of AI research. The city's thought leadership in AI ethics and policies is not just a current strength, but also a predictor of responsible and sustainable AI development in the future. Montreal's global recognition as a leading AI hub is set to endure, with the city playing a pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of AI advancements worldwide. The maturation of the AI ecosystem in Montreal promises a future where the city continues to be a hotbed of innovation, attracting talent, fostering collaboration, and contributing to the ethical evolution of artificial intelligence. As we look forward, Montreal's journey in the realm of AI is one of continual growth, evolution, and positive impact. The city's commitment to excellence, coupled with its thriving AI community, positions Montreal as a key player in defining the future of artificial intelligence on the global stage. That's a wrap on our channel. Check out our last video and explore more good stuff. If you enjoyed it, show some love. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.